ZAS Robotics Communications Kit to unlock the power of IoT and intelligent robot interaction, where robots and IoT devices learn to communicate. The third product in the ZAS Foundational Series focuses on one of the most powerful pillars of modern robotics and IoT devices: wireless communication. Because intelligent robots and devices don't just sense and act, they connect, they transmit, they collaborate. With the ZAS Communications Kit, students gain hands-on mastery across the full wireless spectrum: ultra-high frequency, radio frequency, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, infrared, and long-range LoRa technologies. Working with communication modules directly on a breadboard is cumbersome, unstable, and notoriously difficult. Loose wires, signal noise, power instability. That frustration often stops students before real learning begins. That's why ZAS Robotics engineered a dedicated communication creative PCB, designed in the UK, built for clarity, structured for mastery. The ZAS Communications Kit comes with everything you need to master wireless communication: ESP32 microcontroller, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, nRF24L01 radio module, LoRa long-range module, RFID module and tags, SD card module and SD card, temperature sensor, air quality, gas sensor, an OLED display, breadboard and jumper, IR remote, 18,650 battery case with charger, few LEDs, few push buttons, and few resistors. Core communication interfaces. This creative PCB integrates seamless interfaces for ESP32, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth powerhouse, nRF24L01, high-speed RF communication, LoRa, SX1278, long-range communication, RFID, smart cards, SD card interface, 8GB micro SD card, included, temperature sensor, air quality, gas sensor, an OLED display, IR receiver, extended interface capabilities. The board also provides structured interfaces for sensors, 3 to 8 pin support, IR receiver, rotary encoder, potentiometer, buzzer and LED indicators, mini breadboard power switch. And the kit comes complete with 18650 lithium batteries battery holder, charging module. This is not experimentation chaos. This is engineered learning. PCB to cloud architecture. Capture sensor data. Transmit wirelessly. Store securely in the cloud. Students build complete IoT pipelines using real industry platforms: Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. LoRa long-range sensor transmission watch, environmental data travel wirelessly over long distances using LoRa technology, from sensor node to remote monitoring station in real time. NRF high-speed RF communication. High-speed RF communication using NRF modules enables low-latency data exchange, ideal for robotics telemetry and responsive control systems. Multi-layer communication relay, from infrared remote control to RF transmission to cloud storage. Students learn hybrid networking, integrating multiple communication layers into one seamless pipeline. This is how modern industrial systems operate. Learning outcomes. Students mastering this kit will develop wireless communication architecture, IoT gateway technology, mesh networks, ESP32, LoRa nodes, ESP Now network topology, SD card, data logging, MQTT plus hybrid networking, Bluetooth integration, SP and I2C protocol, mastery, remote industrial control and debugging, advanced AI and robotics integration. This kit becomes the bridge to advanced robotics, behavioral cloning and deep learning, data, capture remote robot, monitoring and deployment telemetry, logging for reinforcement learning, TinyML and TensorFlow, light deployment, MicroPython for microcontrollers, micro-ROS readiness. Students are not just connecting sensors, they are building distributed robotic intelligence systems. Structured learning path, master robotics and IoT communications with 15 foundational lessons, accelerated track, 25+ structured mini projects, unlimited advanced projects when integrated with reinforcement learning and AI.
The ZAS Communication Kit is the final and most powerful kit in the ZAS Foundational Robotics Series.
It teaches students how modern robots communicate, from short-range infrared and Bluetooth, to high-speed RF, to long-range LoRa, to full cloud-connected IoT systems. With dual creative PCBs, structured interfaces, wireless modules, SD logging, and ESP32 integration, students build real communication pipelines, securely, reliably, and professionally.
The UK-engineered ZAS Communication Creative Boards transform complexity into clarity.
Because in real robotics, communication is intelligence. Visit our website, explore our GitHub, watch tutorials on YouTube, and take your next step into advanced autonomous robotics, starting today. In this advanced robotics journey, you are not alone. You have the support of the strong ZAS Robotics community. Follow us.